Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. Seema Gupta, an Ayurveda doctor. Friends, we all are always in need of good and glowing skin. A good skin is a mirror of our inner health. Friends, we are what we eat and put on our skin. So, in today's video, let's discuss a few points about natural skincare tips at home. What should be our daily skincare routine without consuming much time? Also, what we can eat to look our skin healthy and keep it glowing. Friends, many of us find it hard to take care of our face, but it's very easy to follow natural face skincare rules. Most of us would spend hours cleaning and adding all sorts of creams and ointments and spend lots of money on these treatments, which may not give us the effects that we expect. But the truth is that face care is not really that complicated. Friends, many women of old age have managed to have fabulous skin without all those treatments and creams and ointments that modern women use today. So let's go back to the basics once more and see what the real essentials for good healthy skin care. Friends, watch the video till end and be surprised because it really isn't that much. So, what are the basics of natural face skincare routine at home? Firstly, you need a good and gentle cleanser. Find one that can thoroughly clean the face epidermis and is gentle enough not to leave it dry and rough. After the wash, it should feel supple and not rough. You can use a cleanser or soap, but the most important thing is it should be mild enough to retain your natural face protection and should be fit for its type as well. Liquid cleansers are the most versatile but may not work very well on the oily face, while bar soaps are the best option to remove oil and dirt. Friends, second step is moisturize, moisturize, and moisturize. Need I say more? Friends, this step is very important because it can replenish the epidermis of the natural moisturizer that has been washed off during washing, and with its natural moisturizer replenished, its natural defenses are restored as well. The best moisturizing products should contain safe and effective ingredients such as glycerol, ceramides, and hydroxyl acids, which also help remove dead cells and replenish its natural oils. Friends, third main point in basics of natural face skincare routine at home is protect your skin from ultraviolet rays through a good moisturizer with sunscreen. This step is the most ignored in facial care regimes. Some moisturizers may already have SPF as part of their ingredients, but if your product does not have it yet, then please do include this in your regime. Too much ultraviolet rays can cause skin cancers and hasten photoaging. So, there you have it. These three simple steps can take you a long way when it comes to facial health. So just keep it simple and stay beautiful effortlessly. Now, after discussing the basics of daily skincare routine, now let's discuss the steps involved in it. It will also be the revision of these basic steps for long lasting effects for us to indulge in daily care routine. There are four steps for skincare routine. Friends, probably your friends talking about their night long skin regime that they need to do night after night just to get a clear and beautiful glow. But the truth is, getting clean and a clear, healthy glow is not the hard or that lengthy. All you need to do is follow these basic steps in facial cleansing, and you are all well on your way to getting that natural, radiant, and clean face. So, step one is cleansing. All you need for this step is clean water and soap. the most important thing that you need to keep in mind is to use a cleanser that is fit for your face type. For those with a dry face, it is highly recommended that you use cleansers that have added moisturizers to avoid irritation after the wash. For those with an oily face, however, it is advised that you use a clear facial cleanser and wash your face twice a day. Friends, second step is exfoliating. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead cells to reveal a newer and more radiant layer at face. This process should be done at most twice a week, just in time for epidermis to regenerate a new layer of it. There are actually several ways to get an exfoliation, from retinoid and chemical peels to many home remedies. For those who do not want to apply any chemicals on your skin, you can use the good old scrubs, but do it very gently if you do not want to feel sore and red after the process. Friends, third step in skincare is moisturizing. This is essential for all face types and yes, even for those with oily faces. It all depends upon the kind and amount of moisturizing cream that you put on. Apply just enough until you feel your epidermis being supple and avoid over moisturizing or you will clog up your pose. Friends, the next fourth step is apply sunscreen. Even in cloudy days, ultraviolet radiation can still cause damage to your face. Never forget to moisturize before heading out that door. Keep yourself and you protected at all times. Friends, this simple regime can only take a couple of minutes of your time, so there is no excuse for you not to do it every day. They are simple and effective and can make you look fabulous in no time. Friends, as I have already said that we are what we eat, so now let's discuss a few foods to keep our skin healthy and keep our skin glowing. Friends, creams and ointments are one of the most popular means to treat acne and other facial problems. But the problem with this kind of remedy is that they are only temporary and short lived. So, for those of you who are looking for long term solutions for these problems, then the best way to fight them is to start living a healthy lifestyle. If your diet is well balanced and nutritious, then all that goodness will effectively ooze out into your onto your face. So if you are all ready to change your lifestyle for the better, then here are some tips that will bring you a step closer to naturally beautiful skin and healthy living. Friends, first of all, load up on low fat dairy products. These products are gold mines for vitamin A, which is one of the most important vitamin for the epidermis. Not only is this a good skin food, but can also be beneficial for people with diabetes and thyroid problems. Friends, start loving berries. This is probably one of the most delicious cutie treats. Berries contain antioxidants which are responsible for removing toxins and free radicals that have accumulated in our body. Friends, thirdly, natural essential oil use. Friends, essential oils such as olive oil and extra virgin oil are naturally good for the epidermis. They can be taken indirectly or used for cooking. Friends, the fourth main point is hydrate, hydrate, and hydrate. Although there have been debates as to the proper amount that should be taken in every day, it is an undeniable fact that water is good for the skin and our overall health. It keeps us hydrated, and all those wonderful benefits will follow. Friends, the next fifth habit is to create a green tea habit. The benefits of green tea have already been established. Green tea can be taken in orally as an everyday drink or can be applied directly on the face. It can protect the skin layers from harmful ultraviolet radiations and eventually from cancer that is brought about by UV exposure. So, for those who want to get long term and naturally beautiful skin, start loading up on all these goods and be ready to look fabulous inside and out. So, dear friends, it was a gentle reminder to keep your skin fresh and feel good, look good just by following simple, natural daily care at home. Friends, if you are in trouble for your skin, having some redness, dryness, sunspots, acne, scars, open skin pores, and want an effective remedy to keep it glowing, I can suggest you a gel that is clear, that is natural skin conditioning gel, a first aid for troubled skin. Friends, Clear will help to improve the appearance of skin and moisturize it. Clear is made up of natural essential oils and ingredients that help to reduce the redness and roughness of the skin. Clear can help to fade sunspots. With the help of Clear, troubled skin will look so much better. Scars will dissolve and open pores will be closed. It will help to keep skin young and blemish free. Clear will make your skin sing. So, friends, you can check it by the link given below in the description box. And if you find this product good for you, you can buy it from there. So, it's all for this video. Don't forget to like and share the information and subscribe the channel for more information. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.